Morning, guys. We are in Nashville, Tennessee at Streetside Classics. A little bit more you guys don't know about what I do is we do custom car transportation as well, along with chassis fabrication, lift kits. We are your go-to source. So typically we don't go hauling custom cars and resto mods or classic cars very often. But when the right customer calls and asks to get something done, we go do it. Left out of Cincinnati last night, arrived here in Nashville to pick this customer's car up at Streetside Classics. Unbelievable showroom, check them out. But we are getting ready to load up a 1965 Chevy 2 Nova SS. Guys are doing the final check over. There she goes. We're gonna load her up here in just a few seconds. But check out Streetside Classics. Not throwing an ad for them, but boy, they got a selection over there for you. All right, guys, we're back here. We're gonna do the inspection before we're loaded, as always. Notate any scratches, dents, or things, just like I do for all the customers. Yeah, it's important. Of course, we strap her down and everything like that, but we try to make sure it's right and what the customer wanted. So here we go. We're going to do some inspection. Again, we're at Streetside. We're getting ready to load up the 65 Chevy 2 SS Nova, making sure everything looks good, just for the customer document. I was told it's an original 327 card, possibly number matching. At least it's era correct. We do know with the vent, the oil fill in the front of that small block. A pretty little solid car though. It's be a nice little cruiser this summer coming up. All right, guys, exterior looks pretty good. Nothing really big to notate. Customer just requested transport back on open trailer. So here we go. We're gonna load her up, tie her down, and see you guys back in Cincinnati. All right, guys, we're back in Cincinnati. Same day service here. Delivering this 65 Chevy 2. Just getting ready to drop it off for the customer. Going to do the final walk around inspection before he receives goods of it. Make sure it's all still in the shape it was when we loaded it up. So just take a look here real quick and make sure everything's good to go. Just some dirt. Of course, it is open transport, so it's not enclosed, so you will get some road grime and stuff on it. So I believe everything does check out pretty good on it. We'll do another walk real quick. Guys, I haul old iron with old iron. Classic looks here with a classic truck. So if you guys do need anything any transportation needs out of the Cincinnati area, hey, give us a holler. Look us up, O.K.I overlanding.com. I know it's a little odd to hear, but one-stop shop for fabrication, lift kits, and car transportation. Talk to you guys later.